Good morning, friends. This is El Caminero of Brogan City, sharing you the view of the different resorts and restaurants here in Barangay Sulangan, Giwanson, Samar. So I am in this along the beach of Sulangan. As you can see, there are many structure. I will let you see. So in front, you can see also the that is the Homonhon Island or Manikani. Okay, Manikani Island. And then you can see the different resorts and restaurants in this place. Sunday morning today, April 26. So there are restaurants and restaurants in this beach. We have very clear sand, white sand. So when you decided to come here, you can choose the different resorts and beaches here. So I will, for this time, I will say goodbye to everyone. Again, this is El Caminero of Brogan City. Please like and share, my friend. Thank you very much.